How do we get your contact information for the Shark Tank thing coming up?
I'll give you my card.
Okay. And so do we tell you specific, I mean, do we have to have a non-provision already set in place to talk to you, or how does that work? Because we're discussing
Right.
what we want to do.
So you,
Or
I don't require it. You know, you and your council may say, you
yeah, a non-disclosure
we need
agreement.
something. But the reality of companies that present before the group, because it's in a public setting,
Right.
you know, I always say, because, so everybody who walks in the room isn't going to sign a non-disclosure agreement.
Right.
So, and just like, so similarly, if you're looking to go to, say you were going to go to you became more advanced, you went to a venture capital firm or something, they generally won't sign one either. So, you know, if it's in a public setting, then I always say, well, don't disclose your secret sauce. You know, you can talk about the business and the opportunity. And that's what people really want to generally hear anyway. You know, it's not so much the how it works, they're just kind of,
Right.
okay, you know, we've got data that it works.
Right.
And that means that it's going to solve that problem out there that our customer, you know, we've identified this is the customers, they have this problem, we developed a solution. You know, we can be a financially sustainable business, we've got the team that can execute, we've started to do it. Those types of things are really what people are looking for, not the secret of the intellectual property.
Okay.
Jack, I've heard different things. Do your venture capital people typically want to see a patent application on file?
Oh, yeah. I mean, if there's protectable intellectual property,
Right.
we want to see that things are being done to protect that, because that's, you know, good ideas, you know, competitors will pop up and
Yeah.
try to copy them. So, you know, that protecting intellectual property, if possible, is very important.
Yeah, that's what we think too.
And that's one of the challenges we have. So, you know, so our group is individuals. So it's not like we've got we're a firm, we got a big budget for legal expenses and that kind of stuff. So, you know, they'll come in and they'll say, well, I've got a, you know, and they, you know, may have a patent that's been awarded. But, you know, it's a challenge. Okay, that's good, but not all patents are equal in terms of
Right.
the breadth of protection and things. So that's, you know, often a challenge and kind of you know, our risks that we often take is that, okay, well, it's good that they've done that, but we really don't have a detailed analysis. Well, assuming that they have, I mean, like, if they use you know, we'll look at, you know, did you use a good patent attorney? And then we'll assume that, you know, if you did, then, you know, you've got as good as coverage as you can get.
So you want them pretty far along in the process? You
Right,
prefer?
right, because you know, the higher, you know, there's early stage investors are, you know, they're all risky, and quite frankly, most of them will not work out at that stage. But you still want to try to, you know, manage the risk as best that you can. So concepts and ideas, generally, when you're going to third-party strangers like our group, you know, they're generally not going to fund ideas. You know, they're looking for things that, you know, the product, you know, the technical risk has been managed to show that it'll work, or, you know, you've got a pretty, you know, the market risk that, you know, you've talked to potential customers and you've got good indications that, you know, somebody wants to buy it, you know, that does solve a problem that they're willing to pay for. And then, you know, kind of the execution risk is that, you know, you have the team that can make this, you know, run this business and make it happen. And then the financial risk is, can we make money at it, and, you know, can we get to the points we need to get to before we run out of cash.
Yeah.
Turn cash positive before we run out, and then, you know, we either investors have to put in more money, or the company goes out of business. So it's all about risk return and you know, assessing that.